Where's your key? You just locked it?
Yeah, somebody stole it.
Yeah, that's
Somebody-
what happened to the other guy in the same complex.
They did the same thing. I don't know why they be stealing these cars, man. This keys for.
Well, it's not going to work once we're done. Has battery?
Yeah.
How's your alarm didn't go off? No alarm?
No alarm. I took it off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Toyota, my vehicle. Avalon 2008.
10.
10? Ooh, it's a split year. Look at that. You saw there was no 2010 on there?
Mm-hmm.
That's why that machine didn't work probably. Let's try 11. Keyless. Can't turn ignition on. It wants me to turn the ignition on. There we go. I should be able to do it. It might be like a 16-minute wait. Oh man. What you got?
The green.
The green.
Nothing can go with it.
That's right. There's a key code right there. So we're gonna cut that for your door lock. Let's flip it over. Door key's done. You didn't know they come out that easy, huh?
It takes time.
Yeah.
But at least it's gonna take you like a couple minutes.
Yeah. The older ones, you got to take the whole door panel off. All right, here's your door key. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I'll just wait on the fob.
I don't know, the greatest man in the earth.
Yeah. Thank you. All right, we got it. Avalon. Yeah. And it's for sure that gray one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Nope, doesn't detect it. First time, I did not know he had to push to start. Second time, thought I got the right key, but I guess I didn't. And this was the third try. Hopefully this key works, because I don't have another option after this. No, I think I did buy system the last time. That's what it was. Keyless type 1. Keyless. I don't remember what we did. Can't turn the ignition on. I thought we got, didn't we communicate at one point with this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we did the reset with this one. Maybe the battery's too low again. Let me see. I thought it would be charged up. Let me check.
The battery is good.
No? Yeah, we got good battery now.
Order one, it might work.
We're gonna do add kilos. Oh yeah. Should beep twice, but it's not.
Now put your leg on it. That's how it starts.
No, for sure. Cool.
Ooh. The king.
Yep. You smashed out your back window?
Yeah.
Are you still together?
Yeah.
Huh?
Hey, what can
And
you
you
do?
took your key?
Yeah. Hey, what can you do? You,
Can't live with him, can't live without him. This guy takes that serious, huh?
uh-huh.
That's funny.
You got to show him what the king is.
That's all right.
Yeah.